Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of x multiplied with the square root of a square minus x square dx. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we have x equal to a sin t, dx equal to a cosine t dt. So we change for this one. X square we change to a square sin t square, and x we change to a sin t, dx we change to a cosine t dt. So we need to simplify. We have a square and a square. We put outside the square root. So you got about a sin t multiplied with a. And we have 1 minus sin t square. A cosine t dt. So we have 3a in here. So we have a to the power of 3. We put in here. And now we have sin t cosine t. We know that 1 minus sin t square. We will change to the square root of cosine t square. Because number 1 in here, we change to sin t square plus cosine t square. Sin t square minus sin t square. That's why you got about cosine t square. The square root of cosine t square, you got about cosine t. Cosine t multiplied with cosine t, you got about cosine t square. Next one, we can use about integration by substitution. So we put about z equal to cosine t, dz equal to negative sin t dt. Because we don't have the negative, so we put next to the dz. Cosine t we change to z, that's about z square. And sin t dt we change to negative dz. And now we can get the final result. That's about negative a to the power of 3 multiplied with z to the power of 3 over 3 plus c is about the constant. And now we need to turn z back to x, and z in here is about cosine t. And t we need to turn back to this one. So if we want to find the value of t, we need to use about s divided by a, and t should be equal to arc sine s over a. And now we put this one on here. And now this is about the final result. That's the end. Thank you for watching.